this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect FL Studio Mobile to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Natively, FL Studio gives you the option to synchronize any work that you have done on one platform with the other. So if you have made a track on mobile and you want to have that work available on PC, you can do so easily. First, open the FL Studio Mobile interface on PC or vice versa, and then go over to Share. When you access the Share screen, you will see the option to enable sharing on this specific device. For this feature to work, you need to be on the same network on both the mobile device running FL Studio and the PC, desktop, whatever you have running it as well. As long as both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network or the same network, even if you use an Ethernet cable, the data will be synchronized across them and shared properly. So be on the same network and then enable sharing on both devices by going over to the FL Studio Mobile tab and then Share. Now, if you access this on a PC, you will be able to share with your smartphone, your tablet, whatever device you are using, and the same exact thing that can be done here from the smartphone, from the tablet to the PC. So in this example, we would be sharing from this tablet to the PC running FL Studio, but you can do the opposite where you share from PC to mobile. It doesn't matter. So choose the option to share on the device where you want to share your work. You will be able to select to share everything, and it is going to be available on both devices. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.